Ever walk into a crowded bank and wonder, just how many people do they serve? Today, we're diving into the world of Commonwealth Bank, Australia's leading financial institution, also known as CommBank. This banking giant has been around for over a century, but the question remains, how many customers does it actually have? Now, before we jump into the numbers, let's take a step back. CommBank offers a vast array of services, from everyday savings accounts to complex investment options. They cater to individuals, families, businesses of all sizes, and even government institutions. Imagine the sheer volume of transactions happening every single day. Finding the exact number of CommBank clients can be a bit tricky. There are a couple of reasons for this. First, CommBank itself might segment their customer base for internal purposes. For example, they might differentiate between personal and business accounts or categorize clients based on the level of service they require. Secondly, the definition of a client can vary. Does it include someone with a simple savings account or just those with active investment portfolios? Does it encompass every single person who has ever walked through their doors or just those who currently maintain an account? Keeping these things in mind, let's explore what information we can find. CommBank's website itself states they serve over 17 million customers. This is a staggering number, encompassing a massive portion of the Australian population. It paints a picture of a bank woven into the financial fabric of the country. But is 17 million the whole story? Interestingly, there seems to be a slight discrepancy. Other sources, like the World Economic Forum, mention a figure closer to 15.9 million. While the difference isn't massive, it highlights the potential challenges of pinning down a precise number. Here's another factor to consider. CommBank also owns ASB Bank in New Zealand. While ASB operates as a separate entity, it contributes to the overall client base under the CommBank umbrella. So, while the 17 million figure focuses on Australian customers, the actual reach might be slightly broader. One thing's for certain, CommBank is a major player in the financial landscape. The sheer number of clients they serve speaks volumes about their reputation and reach. They've managed to establish themselves as a trusted brand for millions, offering a one-stop shop for a wide range of financial needs. But beyond the raw numbers, what does this all mean? A large client base suggests a strong track record and a deep understanding of the financial needs of a diverse population. It signifies CommBank's ability to adapt and innovate in a constantly evolving financial climate. Of course, a large client base also comes with responsibility. Ensuring security, offering competitive rates, and providing exceptional customer service are all crucial aspects of maintaining this level of trust. So, the next time you step into a CommBank branch, take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale of the operation. Millions of Australians have entrusted them with their financial well-being, and that's a responsibility CommBank takes very seriously. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.